Okay, this is Davis5991. Heat pump downstairs. Plenum, supply plenum. This first trunk is maid's room. The damper has no support and it collapses in on the ducting, so it's restricting 90% of the capacity. Then where it's put together right here, there's a major leak coming from that supply. I don't know if it's not terminated to the damper correctly, but it's losing pressure right here. That's the maid's zone, so that needs to be corrected. And bypass, I think, is backwards on this static bypass. It should be allowing the air to pass the direction that this swings. Well, that's your supply. I mean, that's your supply, that's your return. So this should be the other way around. Right now it's just pushing it closed, which is fine. But I think we're looking for a little bit of bypass on this system, and whoever swapped this out, they put it in backwards. That's my take. I could be wrong. Then a zone damper on this going to the family room was set to 100% bypass, substantially open, so that the family room was getting constant flow. It kept overheating. I couldn't figure out why, and that's why. So I brought this back. Again, this is family room. I brought this back to 0, so when it's closed, it's actually closed instead of being halfway open, which was throwing off the system comfort and ability to push air into the other rooms. So there's a bypass on this other FAU, and let me see if it's incorrect. We'll find out if it's correct.